Hey foodies, how are you? This is Chef Pete, and you know, today I'm making some chicken breast that I'm cutting into some small pieces, and we're gonna grill it here with some onions on this side, and on this side of our grill today, I am going to make some delicious vegetable to go with our grilled chicken breast. So what I'm doing here on the little board is I'm cutting our chicken breast into some small pieces, because I'm gonna mix it with some onion. And what we're gonna do first is I'm cutting this meat so we have it ready to go, and I'm gonna here we go, and I'm gonna get some onion going so that we can mix it with our chicken breast, okay? And it'll be delicious. You guys should try this. If you like onions, this is the way to go, okay? So what I'm gonna do is just cut these onions in half, and then cut them again, and cut this piece in half, cut them all in half, and we're going to get this right on our grill on this side where the meat is going to happen, okay? So let's get our onions on the grill. We're gonna get them started, get them cooking, get a little olive oil on them here. Woo, boy, that's strong in the eyeballs. Okay, and then I need to get my, I got it, my spatula right here. All right, let's get these on here, get them going. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is get a little salt on them. So we get them started. We need to get them started, and some oregano. And then we're going to give it a little garlic today too. So some oregano. There we go.
Get the party started.
We're getting the party started. And on the other side, what we're going to do is start some of this beautiful.
Oh, you're up to 10.
That's good. Beautiful potato. I want to get going on the other side of our
Patata fritti.
But yeah, patata fritti. But we're making patata grill.
Patata grilled.
Patata grill. So let's get them over here.
Grill, yes.
There we go. We get our, and these are beautiful gold potatoes, and you can buy these in the store. I like these because they cook up really nice and tender, but if you like russet, use russet. Use whatever you like. Whatever your family likes, okay? Alrighty, so here we go. We're gonna get another one. I use olive oil, you can use vegetable, use whatever you like, everybody. Okay, now I think what we're gonna do, we got potato going. Let's get some onion going on the other side, on top of those potatoes.
Oh yeah, I like when you burn the onions.
And, you know, we'll get our onions cooking first before I put the chicken meat on top of them on the other side, so.
Caramelizing the onions.
Yeah, I want to get these onions going good. So we're getting these onions over here. I think I'm going to give these some more onions too. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now, all right. So we're looking good there. Let's get some salt over here. A little salt, some oregano. There we go. Oregano is nice. You could use Italian seasoning if you like. I'm using oregano today. Okay.
What's that yellow?
This is a giant squash. Now I've got some of this cabbage today. I thought cabbage would be nice for a change. We'll add some cabbage over there. I'm going to get my big serrated knife out, and we're going to cut this nice and thin.
Get the big knife.
Get the big knife, Bobby! Yeah, that's from the Moonstruck picture, everybody, for those of you that don't know. Okay. And then I'm just cutting this in some pieces like this so that it's nice and cut just like this. And there we go. Okay. So, I'm going to hold this for just a minute because I want to mix up those squashes and the potatoes a little bit because we're going to get them going. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, see it. This is nice and hot. This grill gets good. This is a Breville Grill and Press. Grill Press it's called, and this does a beautiful job grilling things. I just love this appliance. So if you You don't have to buy Breville, but get something. Grilling is just really great. You can keep your fat to the minimum. And yeah, we're starting to get there with our onions now. Look at this. Oh yeah, we're gonna get these going good. Okay, we're gonna keep cooking these a little bit more. And I think I'm going to add, let's see, what have I got in my box here? Let's put, on top of our potatoes and that, let's just take our cabbage and go right like this. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do, I do have some squash I'm going to put too, but what I'm going to do is cover these and start to steam our veggies. I don't want to do that over here because I want these beautiful looking onions to get nice and colored, which they're doing. And I'm going to cover this over here. You need to, these are beautiful grill covers. They make them round, they make them square, you can melt cheese. And what I'm going to do is just put this right on top, just like that. Just like this. And it is going to help to steam things. We'll leave it sit there for a little bit.
It's like a glove.
Yeah, it fits good, doesn't it, Andy? Okay, so then I'm going to get some squash going here.
What kind of squash is this?
This is a yellow squash. This is zucchini, the small one. And let's get this out of the way over here. Let's get this over here. And then I'm going to cut our squash up so our squash is ready to go after everything steams down into those veggies, right? Okay. Now looking at our onions there, they're looking pretty good.
You're very good at coordinating these cook times that we're doing, because it takes somebody that knows how to balance what's going to come off next, what's ready to go, what vegetables.
You're right, Aunt. You're right. So what we can do, we get our squash on last, because I don't want the squash mushy. I want everything else steamed, and I want the potatoes on the bottom here on this side to be nice and crusty, kind of like what I'm doing here with our onions. So let's flip our onions some more here. They're cooking really nice. Look at this, everybody.
They're beautiful, yeah.
If you guys wanted to do, which I'm going to do now, is I think I'm going to let these go just another couple more minutes, and I'm going to get our chicken right on top here. And we'll start our chicken right here on this.
So that will flavor the chicken.
And then I'm going to mix the two together and put the other lid I have on these. Okay, so there we go. Now I got to find our chicken. Where's that? Okay, here's our chicken. Okay, I cut the chicken already. This is chicken breast. You could certainly use chicken thigh if you like. I'm using chicken breast. So let's go today. Let's get this on the grill. Get this here. And we're only 2 people, so adjust accordingly for your size family, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to rinse my fingers now. Okay. And then I'm going to come and let's get this chicken seasoned. So let's get it grilling. Let's get some salt on our chicken right here. A little salt. There we go. And some oregano. Chicken likes oregano. It likes Italian seasoning. It likes all kinds of things. And let's get some garlic powder. Or you can use minced garlic. I'm going to go a little heavy here on the garlic so we can get garlic. We love garlic in our house. Okay. And then what we're going to do is let this cook for a few minutes. I'm going to mix these again. And when we come back, I'm going to show you how we mix the two together and cover it and let it steam off till it's all done. Okay, so this is Peter Carpitos. I'm armed. Pete out!